Canadian Citizenship Test 2024 Question and Answer. Question: Where are the Parliament buildings located? A. Toronto, B. Kingston, C. London, D. Ottawa. The answer is D. Ottawa. Question: What is the highest honor available to Canadians? A. The Queen's Medal, B. Elizabeth Cross, C. Victoria Medal, D. Victoria Cross. The answer is D. Victoria Cross. Question: What is a major river in Quebec? A. Hudson Bay, B. Niagara, C. Fraser River, D. St. Lawrence River. The answer is D. St. Lawrence River. Question: What is celebrated on the 26th of December? A. Remembrance Day, B. Victoria Day, C. Boxing Day, D. Canada Day. The answer is C. Boxing Day. Question: 1/3 of all Canadians live in which province? A. Saskatchewan, B. Quebec, C. Alberta, D. Ontario. The answer is D. Ontario. Question: What level of government passes by laws? A. Provincial, B. Municipal or local government, C. Federal, D. Senators. The answer is B. Municipal or local government. Question: Who proclaimed the amended Constitution of Canada in 1982? A. The Senate, B. Queen Elizabeth II, C. The people of Canada, D. The Prime Minister. The answer is B. Queen Elizabeth II. Question: What are the colors present in the Canadian flag? A. Blue and white, B. Red and white, C. Green and white, D. Red and blue. The answer is B. Red and white. Question: Which province was the first to grant voting rights to women? A. Quebec, B. Ontario, C. Nova Scotia, D. Manitoba. The answer is D. Manitoba. Question: Who chose Ottawa as the capital of Canada? A. Queen Elizabeth I, B. Queen Elizabeth II, C. Queen Victoria, D. Queen Anne. The answer is C. Queen Victoria. Question: Which is the Canadian province with the largest population? A. Ontario, B. Quebec, C. Nova Scotia, D. Alberta. The answer is A. Ontario. Question. What does CPR stand for? A. Canadian Pacific Railway. B. Canadian People Railway. C. Canadian Public Road. D. Canadian People Resources. The answer is A. Canadian Pacific Railway. Question. What region is called the Land of the Midnight Sun? A. Central Canada. B. The Northern Territories. C. The Prairies. D. The Maritimes. The answer is B. The Northern Territories. Question. Who appoints the judges of the Supreme Court of Canada? A. The Governor General. B. The Prime Minister. C. Other judges. D. The people. The answer is A. The Governor General. Question. When is Remembrance Day celebrated? A. July 1st. B. October 6th. C. November 11th. D. November 20th. The answer is C. November 11th. Question. What is a polling station? A. Place where you vote. B. Campaign offices for candidates. C. Place where the number of vote is counted. D. Member of Parliament's constituency. The answer is A. Place where you vote. Question. When is Canada Day? A. November 5th every year. B. July 1st every year. C. June 30th every year. D. July 31st every year. The answer is B. July 1st every year. Question. Which of the following is a non-Canadian not allowed to do? A. Leave the country at will. B. Contact his or her MP. C. Take the Canada citizenship test. D. Vote in federal and provincial elections. The answer is D. Vote in federal and provincial elections. Question. What is Canada's national winter sport? A. Lacrosse. B. Basketball. C. Hockey. D. Golf. The answer is C. Hockey. Question. Who can ask you about whom you voted for? A. No one. B. Any other Canadians. C. Your local MP. D. The Prime Minister. The answer is A. No one. Question. How is a cabinet minister chosen? A. By the Prime Minister. B. By the King. C. By the voters. D. By the senators. The answer is A. By the Prime Minister. Question. What is Canada's system of government called? A. Dictatorship. B. Parliamentary government. C. military rule, D. communism. The answer is B. parliamentary government. Question. Who can enter and leave the country freely without time constraints? A. Canadian citizen and landed immigrants. B. Commonwealth citizens. C. Canadian citizens. D. British citizens. The answer is C. Canadian citizens. Question. What is the Great Charter of Freedom also known as? A. Habeas corpus. B. Dominion of Canada. C. Canadian Constitution. D. Magna Carta. The answer is D. Magna Carta. Question. What are the Prime Minister and Cabinet Ministers together called? A. The Government. B. The Cabinet. C. The House of Commons. D. The Senate. The answer is B. The Cabinet. Question. What do Canadians normally wear on Remembrance Day? A. A red poppy. B. A green shirt. C. A black tie. D. A white shirt. The answer is A red poppy. Question. When was the current flag of Canada raised for the first time? A. 1921. B. 1965. C. 1949. D. 1892. The answer is B. 1965.